Just a quick update on VEVOR customer service. I guess in today's age, when a company provides good customer service, when they go out of their way to recognize the needs of a customer, I think sometimes we should go out of our way to acknowledge it. So, real quick, the update on the stool. I did reach out to VEVOR about the damage that was done, and I actually put a furniture fabric patch on it, fully expecting that VEVOR would say it was the problem with the shipper, or that the stool was still fully functional, which it is. That was a very, very small slit. And FedEx did not treat the box kindly. Well, true to their word, VEVOR sent a replacement seat for the stool. It arrived well. So shout out to VEVOR and their outstanding customer service. As far as the stool goes, I like it. It's very functional. It rolls very easy. As I've shown in the previous video. So good job, VEVOR. They advertise tough tools at half price, and they stand behind their product. I opened up a chat with VEVOR, which automatically generated a ticket that I received in my Gmail account. Their communication was outstanding. They asked me to send a picture of the damage, which I did. And within 12 hours, they came back and verified the address that they were going to send the replacement seat to. So shout out to them. VEVOR, thank you. I'll be buying more of your products.